Hello guys, this is Aaron from Ether. Welcome to Guangzhou Sincere Information Technology Limited Corporation. Adding intelligent eyes for all things is our mission. As a leading integrated optical device manufacturers and optical imaging systems solutions provider, our company founded in 1992. And today it's my great honor to be here to make a tour guide about our company. So without further ado, let's get started.
Our factory, with totally 33,315 square meters, is located in Guangdong, China. Class 100 COB dust-free workshop. Become the first batch of verified pro on Alibaba.com. We have strong R&D and manufacturing capabilities, and have passed the certification standards of OEM for well-known brands and Fortune Top 50. Products are ISO 9001, ROSH, REACH, FCC certified. Our products are widely used in various fields, such as alert equipment, smart home, smart medical, intelligent transportation, automatic driving, intelligent security, intelligent warehousing, scanning, robot, UAV, medical endoscope, industrial endoscope, computer, intelligent terminals, and etc. SMT is a kind of electronic component mounting technology which is characterized by sticking components directly on the PCB surface for welding connections, without the need for pin insertion and removal. SMT process has the characteristics of high efficiency, high precision, and high reliability. Die check is the comprehensive inspection and testing of wafers in the semiconductor